seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? Oh, baby, something they cool with temper.
Are you seeing that? Oh, you are hearing it.
Everybody they wait. It's a cannon or bomb. If I didn't mama, it's a sumuna money killamo. I don't know, begging, yeah, everybody they wait.
Yeah? You had it. Wow. It's been awesome. Hello everyone. And welcome to Mending Hearts with Phil. Wow, it's been an awesome day. Our song is talking about Ada. Every home needs an Ada. There is no home that lacks Ada, that is happy. There is no happiness because Ada is the spice in that home. And that brings us to today's talk. Ada. Please, if you are an Ada anywhere you are, any woman, any girl is an Ada. It doesn't matter whether you're the first or the second or the last or whichever. But for the fact you're a woman, you're an Ada. So today's greeting or talk is about Ada. So like I said earlier, our today's talk centers on women, on Ada in our society. I came across a particular post and I wanted to ignore it. But somehow that thing keeps coming, you know. I couldn't just hold it anymore. So I decided to bring it to the table today. Of a woman, you all know the story. Of a woman that built a house for the parents, for the father or the mother. For me, I believe she must have done that out of love. And unfortunately, so many people judged her wrong. And nobody even thought of who knows how she grew up, her upbringing. Possibly there was a challenge along the line. Possibly they lived in a place where maybe they were chased out of the building. You know, so many things that made this girl or this woman to say, in fact, when I grow up or whenever I make money, I am going to do so and so. I must have to build a house for my parents. And here is it. Somehow, the world smiled at her and she found herself trying to make ends meet or to give that father this gift she has always treasured. And of course, she must have carried her husband along for them to know that she did something like that. Some people ordinarily would have hidden it. Nobody will know. But because of that still love, that love that is still there, she had to bring the man on board. The man is aware. And today, everybody is saying, no. I even I read something where someone wrote about that the sister-in-law would not try such. Why won't she try such? Did she collect money from you people? She did that out of love. Love for parents, love for father. And that is always attached to the father. Possibly that was a promise she made. Even if she decided to do that, that does not mean that she can still not build a home of her own. Nobody says that. You don't even know what her plans are. But many people judge her wrong. If we really want to look into this matter, I think it's even the husband that should do that. I mean, because of love. But possibly she has been waiting, it's not forthcoming, and she decided to do that, even to clear the face of the husband. But they didn't see that. At times I see that as the poverty of the mind, I must say. Because if a man is doing well, I mean, you're careless. You see, that's what she's doing for her family. There's no problem. Even the man will even go ahead to contribute to that, to make the in-law happy. For me, it's not out of place. If you're here, possibly you're saying, my wife cannot do this, my wife cannot do that. Why don't you support your wife in whatever she's doing? That love alone can always make her to do more. In case it becomes that way, you need to support the Ada. That's the love of parenthood, love of an Ada. Even when she's leaving the home, she must say, Father, stop crying. I will make you proud. I'll cleanse the tears away from you. Which is what that woman has done. And so many people are not happy about that. You that is a man that said never. If your Ada should come and build a house for you, will you not be happy? You will receive it. A gift is a gift, no matter what the man has. Even if the father has a mansion or has whatever it is, and a child, beloved Ada, decided to bring a gift to the father, a gift is always a gift. There's no two ways about it. So I want us all to learn from this particular problem, this particular issue that is on ground. If you have something you can give to your parents, it's not out of place, you can do that. Even our men, some of our men, a woman will be in your home, look at it closely. Yes, even if you have built, some people say that they should have built where they are supposed to live before doing that. It depends on what is blocking her. Possibly the father doesn't have a home in their village, and you say she should continue to build elsewhere. You don't judge people like that. Yes, you see so many men, even when they get married, even if some of them do build for their parents before they start their own, they say they are okay. Some of them that live abroad, they build homes for their father. Meanwhile, they are over there in rented apartments because they want to have a home, because there was no home. Then this woman doing it, it started being a problem to so many, especially African men. I'm sorry to say that, but we need to grow up. We need to do what? We need to grow up. Yes, if you have any option or something against what I'm saying, you can always drop your points, in the comment section. But it's very important we all look into this matter. Idea, if I have the opportunity of building for my father, even though it's late, oh my God, let me observe 1 minute silence for my father. So even if he's not there, if I have it, I will do it. If you're not there anywhere, please. We did not get married to forget our homes. Yes, we have a home, even in our husband's home. But that does not mean you're going to throw away your beloved's home. If the parents, remember, did not train this woman well, that man wouldn't have come for her. There's something that man saw in that woman that made him go there. So, that's it. Remember to go like our page, of course, on Film, the case page. You can go to our MHF TV on Instagram. Also on what's it called? On YouTube, you can go like it. Also, you can share so that whatever we do, you get to know about it. Stay blessed. Take care. Remember to comment. I need to hear your own view on this matter. These are that we are celebrating today.
Have you seen my beautiful baby?
Let me dance there so that you can see my waist.
Have you seen my tomato baby? Oh, yeah, late. Baby, Sophie, they could me temper. Baby, the sugar.